Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of powerful dua Nasruminallah Wa Fathun Qareeb. Nasruminallah Wa Fathun Qareeb. I will repeat it once again. Nasruminallah Wa Fathun Qareeb. To understand it more clearly, let us break down word by word to understand the meaning of each word in English. Nasrun has a root word Nasr or Nasara, which means help. Nasrum means help. Nasrun means help. The second word comes min, means from in English. Min means from in English. Allahi is Allah. Allahi is Allah. Wa is a preposition and it's known as and in English. Wa is and in English. Fathun. Fathun means victory. It has a root word of Fatah. Al-Fatah is under 99 names of Allah. And Qareeb means near. Qareeb means near. Thus, Nasruminallah Wa Fathun Qareeb means help from Allah and victory is near. Nasrun Minallahi Wa Fathun Qareeb stands for help from Allah and victory is near. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in the glorious Quran in Surah As-Saff, words number 11, 12 and 13. For the believers who believe in Allah and His messengers and struggle hard with your property and your life, that is best for you and you did not know. He will forgive you your faults and make you enter into the gardens below which river flows and excellent mansions in the garden everlasting. That is your mighty achievement. And yet another blessing that you love, help from Allah and victory is near at hand. So my brothers and sisters, for the believers, the help and victory is near, and the help of Allah, the victory is near. Recite this dua abundantly every day to receive the help from Allah. We hope that you have understood the meaning of Nasruminallah Wa Fathun Qareeb. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video and share with your friends and family members. Jazakallahu khairan.